Astronomers spotted a rare galaxy shutting down star formation. A distant galaxy has been caught in the act of shutting down. The galaxy called CQ4479 is still forming plenty of new stars, but it also has an actively feeding supermassive black hole at its center that will bring star formation to a stop within a few 100 million years. This has been reported at a virtual meeting of American Astronomical Society. Studying this galaxy and others like it will help the astronomers to figure out exactly how such shutdowns happen. How galaxies precisely die is an open question. This could give the astronomers a lot of insights into that process. Astronomers think galaxies typically start out making new stars with a passion. The stars form from pockets of cold gas that contract under their own gravity and ignite thermonuclear fusion in their centers. But at some point, something disrupts the cold star forming fuel and sends it towards the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's core. That black hole gobbles the gas, heating it white hot. An actively feeding black hole can be seen from billions of light years away and is known as quasar. Radiation from the hot gas pumps extra energy into the rest of the galaxy, blowing away or heating up the remaining gas until the star forming factory closes for good. To investigate individual cold quasars in more detail, the astronomers outfitted with a telescope that can see in a range of infrared wavelengths. The observation showed that CQ4479 has about 20 billion times the mass of the Sun in stars, and it's adding about 95 suns per year. CQ4479's black hole is 27 million times as massive as the Sun, and it's growing at about 0.3 solar masses per year. In terms of percentage of their total mass, the stars and the black holes are growing at the same rate. The observations of CQ4479 support the broad ideas of how galaxies die. The astronomer Alexandra Pope of the University of Massachusetts, who was not involved in the new work, has said that given that galaxies eventually switch off their star formation, it makes sense that there should be a period of transition. The findings are a confirmation of this important phase in the evolution of galaxies. Taking a closer look at more cold quasars will help the astronomers to figure out just how quickly the galaxies die.